Viral Hiccup Girl turned killer. Life behind bars. Back in 2007, she was all over the news. Jennifer Mee, just 15, went viral for an unusual condition, uncontrollable hiccups. She appeared on morning shows, met celebrities, even got the nickname Hiccup Girl. But just 3 years later, her story took a dark turn. October 2010, Jennifer, now 19, lured a man named Shannon Griffin to a vacant house in Florida. The setup? A robbery. Her boyfriend and another man were waiting. They stole $50 from Griffin, and then one of them shot him. He didn't survive. Hours later, police found the group and the evidence: Griffin's wallet, ID, and personal items. The two men received life without parole. Jennifer claimed she didn't pull the trigger. She just set it up. In a jail call, she told her mom, "It all went wrong, Mom. I didn't kill nobody." But in court, that didn't matter. She was charged with first-degree murder under felony murder law. And in 2013, the jury delivered their verdict: guilty. Jennifer broke down in tears as it was read. She had hoped for a lesser charge, but now she'll never walk free again. Today, the Hiccup Girl sits in Homestead Correctional Institution, serving life without parole, from viral fame to a prison cell. Was justice served? Or should her role as an accomplice have led to a lighter sentence? Let us know in the comments.